preparing to live stream the meeting. And yeah. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
What is financial inclusion?
Yeah, what is financial inclusion? Please read inclusion.
Financial inclusion means that individuals and businesses have access to the useful and affordable financial products and services to meet their needs, transactions, payments, saving, credit, and insurance.
Now, one minute. You please 1 minute. Please wait. I think please wait. Somewhere I have sound is now you speak. Now you read from financial inclusion, because what happened when you were speaking, there was again echoing from this place. Now you read. What is financial inclusion? Yeah.
Financial inclusion means that individuals and businesses have access to useful and affordable financial products and services that meet their needs, transactions, payments, saving, credit, and insurance, delivered in the responsible and sustainable way. For example, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Baya Bandhana Yojana, Stand Up India Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Jeevan Suraksha Bandhan Yojana.
See, actually, we are supposed to know about each and every scheme, at least 4 or 5 lines about them. Now, can you tell me about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? What are the points you know about that? PM, this is a very famous scheme.
Yes, sir.
Jan Dhan Yojana. And especially from marketing angle, this is very useful. Please tell me some points about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Or if you don't know, you can read from, are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please read what is given on the screen. Thereafter, you tell me what you know. Yeah.
50.70 crore beneficiary banked so far. 2,06,781.34 crores balance in the beneficiary account.
Oh, super. 1 minute. It's a very big amount. 1 minute. See, the number that is given is that 1 minute. I am noting so that this point can be asked in any interview. It's a very useful information. PMJDY 50.70 crore. Amount is 20 lakhs. Sorry, 2 lakhs. 2.06 lakh crore. Oh, Baba, what a big amount is it? But yeah,
very big amount, sir.
Yeah, then 8.50.
8.50 lakh bank mitras delivering branchless banking services in the country.
That means, what is this bank mitras?
Bank mitra, I think they are banking correspondents.
Super. You will also be doing the same thing, but you will not be called say mitras, but you will be doing much better service for them, because you are going to join as a marketing officer. You are going to take it to the people. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So that is the thing. Here, any other detail? So I am giving this detail in our Telegram group. So if you get time, you please go through that one. Okay. I am giving that one in our Telegram group. Please go through that. I am also giving in our Federal Bank group. Federal Bank group. Federal Bank group. Yeah. Given. Good. Now where are we now? We are in this one. Yeah. So please. So that is about Pradhan Mantri. What do you know about Atal Pension Yojana, Mr. Ajay Kumar?
Sir, this is Social Security scheme. This is the pension scheme for this is basically pension scheme for elderly patient. For elderly, मतलब 60 के बाद pension start होगी sir. We have to
Nice.
contribute up to 40 years,
Yeah.
and after 60 we get pension minimum 1,000 pension sir. Maximum we get 5,000 pension after pension योजना sir.
Actually, आपने जो बोला वो तो सही है, but इसमें जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उस समय पर एक बढ़िया पॉइंट बोलना है. अटल पेंशन योजना इज अ पेंशन स्कीम फॉर unregulated employees.
Okay sir.
Unregulated sector, unregulated sector employees. माने बैंक में अभी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, बैंक में बाद में हम लोग को पेंशन मिलता है. अभी आपको एक शुभ खबर है, आज से हमारा अकाउंट में 10,000 इंक्रीज पेंशन क्रेडिट हो गया. ऑल दीज डेज हमारा बैंकिंग स्टाफ का अंदर में 1,80,000 पीपल का एक डिस्क्रिपेंसी था. जो 2002 का पहले रिटायर हुआ, नवंबर 2002 का पहले रिटायर हुआ, उनको 100% डीए न्यूट्रलाइजेशन नहीं मिलता था. So till as last month we were getting some less pension. This month say it has been increased properly. We were being paid at 1616 instead of 1684%, and now the increase has been given from today only. Today only some 10,000 has been. So this is the case of even regulated employees like us. I served in bank for 32 years, retired about 22 years to get this anomaly restored. So now look at the position of the unregulated employees. जिन लोग का काम रोज नहीं मिलता है, उनको कितना तकलीफ होगा आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट. उसी वजह से ये स्कीम था शुरू हुआ था. पहले जब शुरू हुआ ये तो बहुत बढ़िया था. क्यों? गवर्नमेंट ने बोला आपने जितना रुपया जमा देते हैं उतना रुपया हम भी जमा देंगे, लेकिन बाद में उस कवर को रिमूव कर दिया. अभी इट इज ओनली फॉर द employees to remit. The important points of this scheme, age, what is the minimum age, maximum age?
So 18 to 40. 18 to 40.
What is the minimum pension, maximum pension?
Minimum 1,000, maximum 5,000.
From which year the pension can be drawn?
So 60 years.
Super.
After 60 years.
Super. Good performance. Good. Because you are already working, you know. आपने जमा दिया नहीं दिया इसको अटल पेंशन योजना में?
No,
और
आपको
एनपीएस में है ना क्या?
Sir, I have in EPF, sir. EPF, Employee Provident Fund.
Employees Provident Fund. Very good, very good. अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट स्कीम का बारे में बताइए. प्रधानमंत्री
वाया वंदना योजना सर.
ये क्या चीज का है? Let me ask.
This is a pension scheme for elderly.
No. Let me ask our NS का नाम क्या? नरेश.
Naresh, yeah.
Please tell us what is that scheme about? प्रधानमंत्री वाया वंदना योजना.
Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana scheme for the senior citizens, sir, above 60 years.
చెప్పు, డీటెయిల్స్ చెప్పు.
Minimum 1,000 rupees and maximum 30 lakhs, sir. Maximum 30 lakhs. They will get after 60 years.
No. Galat. Now I think Ajay Kumar can tell me correctly. Ajay Kumar, tell me salient features.
Sir, minimum pension is 1,000 and maximum is 12,000, I think.
What is the scheme about? How the scheme runs?
Scheme, sir.
Who is running it? Which company is running it?
LIC, it is running by
LIC, sir.
LIC.
हाँ, ये point पहले बताना है. This is a scheme for senior citizens above 60 years age and is run by Life Insurance Corporation of India.
Maximum 30 lakhs they will
And
get.
no.
Maximum 30 lakh. I think.
They will not get, Baba. Maximum investment a pensioner can give is 30 lakhs. He can deposit with LIC, and LIC will give pension every month or every quarter depending
और
on his
6 month में भी हो सकता है,
Yeah.
yearly भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, I get it once in a year. I have deposited some small amount. I get
Okay, sir.
every year some 6,000 rupees on 1st of January.
Yes, sir.
Year, yeah.
Monthly
this-
1,000 से start होके मतलब yearly 12,000 तक जा सकते हैं, sir. Maximum इसका हो सकता है तो 12,000 monthly से लेके yearly
Yeah.
1,20,000 तक.
Yeah, I request Naresh to read this. Please read Pradhan Mantri.
Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana is a pension scheme announced by Government of India exclusive for the senior citizens aged 60 years and above, which was available from 4th May 2017 to 31st March 2020. The scheme is now extended up to 31st March 2023 for a further period of 3 years beyond 31st March 2020.
But no, even now it is applicable. Here it has not been updated. प्रधान LIC का वेबसाइट में जाके देखने से तो पता हो जाएगा. It is there even now, I think so. Do you know any idea about it, Ajay Kumar? LIC is offering Pradhan Mantri.
Yes, sir. It is offering right now, sir. Also offering.
What is the rate of interest? Only some confusion. That we
Sir, rate of interest, I think more than 7%.
Yeah, I know, but इतना ऐसा बोलने से तो वो लोग accept नहीं करेगा. प्रधान,
Yes, sir.
they will ask correct. प्रधान अच्छा, sorry. प्रधान मंत्री, ओ बाबा. प्रधान मंत्री वाया वंदना योजना deposit interest rate 7.4% per annum. 7.4% per annum. So this is how we have to tell this. Now please read this, Mr. Naresh.
Following are the major benefits under the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Scheme provides initially an assured rate of 7.4% per annum for the year 2020-21 per annum, and thereafter to be reset every year. For financial year 2021-22, the scheme shall provide an assured pension of 7.4% per annum payable monthly. The assured rate of pension shall be payable for the full policy term of 10 years for all policies purchased till March 31st, 2022. Pension is payable at the end of each period during policy term of 10 years as per the frequency of monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, yearly, as chosen by the pensioner at the time of purchase. The scheme is exempted from GST on survival of pensioner to the end of policy term of 10 years. Purchase
Orange.
price
One minute.
Purchase price
Purchase price.
along with final pension installment shall be payable. Loan up to 75% of purchase price shall be allowed after 3 policy years to meet the liquidity needs. Loan interest shall be recovered from the pension installments and loan to be recovered from claim proceeds. The scheme also allows for premature adjust for the treatment of any critical terminal illness of self or spouse. On such premature adjust, 98% of the purchase price shall be refunded. On death of pensioner during the policy term of 10 years, the purchase price shall be paid to the beneficiary. The ceiling of maximum pension is for the treatment of
No, family as a whole.
a family as a whole. The family will comprise a pensioner, is her spouse, and depends. The shortfall owing to the difference between the interest guaranteed and actual interest earned, and the expenses related to administration shall be subsidized by the government of India and reimbursed to the corporation.
So that is
Eligibility conditions and
yeah.
other restrictions.
1 minute. So that is the advantage of it. I am giving this link to our Telegram group. Okay. I am
Okay,
also giving to our WhatsApp group, Federal Bank group, that is not required for them, but still let them be also benefited. Now, thank you. So that much is sufficient for this now. Ajay Kumar, where are you?
So
Yes, sir.
below information also important, I think.
Pardon? Yeah, this much point is sufficient for this question. Yeah, Pradhan Mantri, next one, Stand Up India scheme. Do you know about Stand Up India?
Yes, sir.
Stand up
It is for
India
SC, ST, ST,
women,
SC,
sir.
ST women, sir.
You know about it, Stand Up India?
Yes,
Loans
sir.
provide, government of India loans provide the
Ah,
up
tell me.
10 minimum 10 lakhs to 1 crore, sir.
Oh, Stand Up India scheme.
It is for SC, ST women
India.
entrepreneurs who want to start their business.
Acha, Mr. What is your name? Ajay Kumar. Please read about this Stand Up India scheme.
Into
Stand Up
leverage
India
the-
scheme seeks to leverage the institution credit structure to reach out to the undeserved sector
Undeserved, nahi, underserved.
underserved sector of the people such as scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, women, and entrepreneurs, so as to enable them to participate in the economic growth of the nation.
Here, this is the important point. Please read.
The objective of stand-up scheme is to facilitate the bank.
Just a minute. It is opening now only. पता नहीं क्यों it's getting delayed. Even in Canada, internet में बहुत तकलीफ होता है. Because so many people are using, you know. Wow. What about your place? Where are you living, Ajay Kumar?
Sir, Punjab, sir.
पंजाब में इंटरनेट आपको सही रहता है, नॉट बैड?
हाँ सर, कभी कभी खराब होता है सर,
कभी कभी खराब. अभी देखिए ना, ये इसमें आता नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, we will do it afterwards. Next one, प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना. I think the details about this must have been given in our material itself. You can study it afterwards. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Here, Mudra Yojana, I only know some 3 salient points. Can you tell me what are they, Mr. Ajay?
Yes,
what are the 3 loans given under PM Mudra Yojana?
Shishu, Kishore, Tarun, sir.
Excellent. Sishu, Kishore, Tarun. Sishu is up to
50,000.
Very good. Kishore is up to
15,000 to 5 lakh.
excellent. Tarun is
5 lakh to 10 lakhs.
super. If you know this, at least that is sufficient, because in interviews normally they will not ask you full details. They will simply ask for the financial inclusion. If you tell like this is sufficient. Whereas if you tell some more details, they will be happy. Similarly, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Now, NS, please tell me some salient points.
So Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is a accidental insurance scheme, sir. The age between 18 to 70 years, the premium is paid by the A customer premium is paid by the client 20 rupees, sir, per annum.
But Mr. NS, ఈ
Yes, sir.
ముందు మీ ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓహో, ఇట్ ఈస్ of course we don't know whether it is the insurance scheme చెప్పాలి. And like now I think it is being run by United India. Mundu it was with the LIC. Okay, so let us not commit about the company. Yeah, now tell me what are the other features?
The client accident happens, partially happens, they will get 1 lakh rupees. If you fully disabled, they will get 2 lakh rupees, sir.
Good.
Death
Death means 2 lakhs.
Death or fully disabled, sir.
Yeah. How much is the premium?
Premium 20 rupees per annum, sir.
And who is paying it? The bank will be debiting it automatically on the due date. Only thing is we have to provide fund in the account, and no separate policy and all will be issued. So that is the speciality of this scheme. So whenever we take a life policy, we will get a policy in hand. But for this PM Suraksha Bima Yojana, and there is one more scheme. What is that? PM Jeevan Jyoti. There also, they are not giving any document. Simply, it will be debited to your account. And in case of the mishappening, the nominees will have to make a claim using their deposit SB account and details and other things. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana not come under financial inclusion, sir?
It is financial inclusion.
But not mentioned in
here, not mentioned. But it is financial inclusion only. Why? Because the premium charged is very less.
Yes,
the premium charged for coverage of life pension, life coverage, 2 lakhs. For that, it is only how much? 436 rupees
per annum.
Per annum. So, for example, even in our case now, when we go for Pradhan, say Mediclaim insurance, if we want to take, we pensioners for 2 lakhs, of course, it is Mediclaim. That is, you can get reimbursement from medical expenses. They are charging now 25,000 or so, 28,000. So high for 1 year. But here it is only 436. So it should be called as one of the, what is that? Financial inclusion. Yeah. Next point, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Ajay Kumar, you
yes,
please
sir.
tell me, because you have to market Sukanya Sam. Tell me.
See, this is for girl child, sir. Maximum 2 girls can be enrolled, sir. In the case of twins, sir, it may be 3 up to 3, sir. And minimum amount is 250, sir. And the policy, the maximum we have to contribute.
Maximum we can give in 1 year. How much?
1.5 lakhs, sir.
1.5 lakhs.
Excellent. Good. Very good.
Yes, sir. Total period of 20 years, sir. After it expires after 20 years, sir. And
21 years.
we can withdraw the money in the case of marriage, sir, and in the case of,
or for education.
Or for education, sir.
Good. Jeevan Suraksha Bandhan Yojana. That is over. Same thing, na? Is this different? This is different. Jeevan Suraksha Bima Bandhan Yojana. Is it different? I don't know. Anybody knows?
No, sir.
Jeevan Suraksha Bandhan Yojana. I don't know. Even I am not aware of it. This is Department of Financial Services.
Yes,
what is Suraksha Bandhan? Ajay, please read.
A gift, check or deposit scheme that offer enrollment under the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Sadak Bima Yojana, or both.
Oh, same thing only. What we are telling is a customer can purchase a Suraksha Bandhan gift check in the name of his, give them opportunity to enroll under the scheme. Acha. Somebody can give the benefit to that person. That is, but it is not very popular, I think so. It is not that very popular because I have not read it more. Now,
It is not the person.
yeah, not popular. Now, what is your name? Ajay, continue. Why you want to?
Why you want to join the banking sectors? Number one, banks are pillar of any nation economy for job stability. Do not use secure. Say it is stable job. Fast growth. Banking sector offer tremendous growth opportunities as candidate. Fast and fair selection process. Continuing education and community service is highly encouraged. Socially respectable job.
Is it clear for you? Can you remember and speak if necessary, NS? Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Continue, Mr. Ajay. You read up to 10th question. Thereafter,
Okay,
you
sir.
will read. Yeah.
Who is known
Question.
as the father of rural regional bank, Sir M. Swaminathan?
Oh,
Cross
God.
question by
Yeah,
father of the Green Revolution of India and father of RRB from 1970 to 1979. M. S. Swaminathan was Director General of Indian Council of the Agriculture Research.
and
Explain green.
incidentally, today's recent news is that he passed away recently.
Okay, sir.
This is one news. He passed away recently in his age of 92 or so, 90 plus. Continue, Ajay.
Explain green revolution. Green revolution, a term used for rapid increase in the wheat and rye yield in the developing countries, brought about by improved varieties combined with the expanded use of the fertilizer and other chemical inputs, has had a dramatic effect on the incomes and food supplies of the many developing countries. In the years 1965, the government of India launched a green revolution with the help of geneticists. Now,
Geneticist.
geneticist,
Hmm.
now known as the father of the Green Revolution, M.S. Swaminathan. The movement of the Green Revolution was the great success and changed the country's status from poor deficient economy to one of the world's leading agriculture nation. It started in 1967 and lasted till 1978.
Read.
Modern irrigation methods, chemical pest control, use of synthetic fertilizers.
I don't know.
Next,
Synthetic fertilizers ka matlab kya hai? I don't. You have any idea? Because you.
synthetic fertilizer. That is
आप थोड़ा
chemical fertilizer, I think. Chemical
Syn-
fertilizer, sir.
Chemicals.
no, chemical क्या है? Synthetic क्या है? I don't know. Even I am in this line for so many days. Synthetic fertilizers is derived from chemicals such as ammonia. Please read, NS. Read.
Derived from chemicals such as ammonia, natural gas, atmospheric nitrogen, phosphate, minerals, and sulfur.
A fertilizer manufacturing plant is used to prepare a number of different fertilizer blends. Very good. Continue, Mr. Ajay.
Explain NPA and agriculture NPA. Non-performing asset is a loan or advance for which the principal or interest payment remain undue for the period of 90 days. Agri NPA. A loan granted for shorter duration crop will be treated as NPA if the installment and principal interest thereon remains unpaid for 2 crop seasons beyond the due date. A loan granted for the long duration crop will be treated as NPA if the installment and principal or interest thereon remains unpaid for 1 crop season beyond the due date.
Beyond.
Yes, sir.
Beyond means iska baad mein bhi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
What are the function of banks? There are two functions of banks. Primary function being primary are also called as the banking function, secondary function. Both type of function bank are explained below in the detail. Primary function of the banks. All banks have to perform the two major functions, namely accepting the deposit, granting the loan and advances. Secondary function of the banks.
Hmm.
Like primary function of the bank, the secondary function are also classified into the two parts: agency function and utility functions. Agency functions of banks. Banks are the agent for the customer and hence perform the
Now, 1 minute. Agents for their customers.
various agency functions as mentioned below. Number one, transfer of the funds, transferring the funds from the one branch place to another.
1 minute. This computer problem. Yeah. Periodic collections.
Periodic collection, collecting dividends, salary, pensions, and a similar periodic collection on client behalf. Periodic payments, making periodic payments of the rents, electricity bills, etc. on the behalf of clients. Collection of a check, like collecting money from the bill of exchanges. The bank collects the money of the checks through the clearing section of its customers. Portfolio management. Bank manage the portfolio of their clients. It undertakes the activity to purchase and sell the shares and debentures of the clients and debits or credit to the account. The other agency function under the bank, under this bank act as a representative of the clients for other institution. It act as an executor, trustee, administrator, advisor, etc. of its clients.
1 minute. Good. Just a minute. Continue.
Major crops in your district.
This one they have not answered purposely because you have to tell us about this. Now, you are living in which district, Jay?
Sir, Himachal Pradesh.
So, what are the crops grown in your district?
Sir, wheat, maize, paddy, and these are the wheat, maize, paddy, sir.
So, what is the news about wheat now today?
Sir, wheat, the MSP of wheat has been increased to the 2,275, sir.
Good point. Recently, our government has revised they increased the MSP for wheat and other 5 crops also. Good. This is how you should remember NS. You should try to know. NS, please tell me what are the crops grown in your district?
Sir, in my district, the crops grown paddy, mirchi, and cotton, sir.
Oh, which crop gives more money for the farmers?
Commercial crops, sir.
That is cotton.
Cotton.
Oh, very good. Now, please read Mr. Ajay, number 10th question.
What is the recent GDP prediction of India by IMF? International Monetary Fund has slashed Indian economic growth forecast to the 6.8 for financial year 23. This steep cut in the comparison of its previous forecast of 7.4 that had given out in July 2020.
Now this information is not useful. So what we should do, we should stay current information. Google.com, India's GDP and IMF predictions. The international, you please read, what is your name? Ajay.
International Monetary Fund raised its forecast for India, saying that country's growth will remain strong in the 23 and 24 according to the IMF. The October update its bird economic outlook. India's economy will grow 6.3 in 23 and increase from earlier forecast of 6.1.
6.3 is the answer they are telling. Okay. Pata nahi, because every now and then they change it. And it is, but as people going for interview, You should keep a track of all these things. There is no other go. Yeah, very good. So you have covered that point. Now we will go to Mr. What is your name? NS.
Naresh,
Please
yes,
read.
sir.
Uh,
Explain World Bank and IMF. World Bank Group works with development countries to reduce poverty and increase shared prosperity, while the International Monetary Fund serves to stabilize the international monetary system and act as a monitor of the world's currencies. IMF focus on bringing economic stability, whereas the World Bank laid emphasis on economic growth of the developing nations. The size of the World Bank is more than 3 times larger than the size of the International Monetary Fund,
very
which
good.
committee recommended the formation of NABARD. B.R. Shivaraman Committee.
What committee?
B. Shivaraman Committee.
You said B.R. Sivaraman.
Sorry, B. Shivaraman Committee. Traffic Card Committee to review the arrangements for institutional credit for agriculture and rural development. Chairman, it changed, sir. Chairman,
Now change. Now Saji. Now it is
Saji.
Saji. Now it is Saji. We can't change it. That's a problem.
KB Shaji.
What, sir?
No, we can cancel this. No, we can't. Yeah. Now headquarters.
Headquarters, Mumbai.
Saji is present chairman. Everybody knows. Headquarters, Mumbai. Rural
Mumbai
Infrastructure
Development Fund. Mumbai Rural Infrastructure Development Fund
No. Wrong.
Headquarters in Mumbai, sir. Headquarters in Mumbai.
Headquarters in Mumbai. This should come in the next line. Rural
Infrastructure Development Fund is operated by NABARD. Instead, in April 1995, NABARD is the Microfinance Regulatory Authority. Explain Mudra.
1 minute.
Micro.
Explain Mudra. Mudra, very important. Please read.
Microfinance Development Refinance Agency.
Right.
Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana is a scheme launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on April 8, 2015 for providing loans up to 10 lakhs to non-corporate, non-farm, small, micro enterprises. Mudra has created 3 products, namely Shishu, Kishore and Tarun. Those eligible to borrow from Mudra Bank are small manufacturing units, shopkeepers, fruit and vegetable vendors, artisans.
Yeah. Next. What is CD
What
ratio?
is CD ratio? Credit deposit ratio of a bank is an indicator of how much a bank lends out of its deposits or how much of its core funds are used for lending. The higher it is, the better is earning capacity of bank and vice versa. June 2022, CD ratio stood at 73.5% at all India level, 70.5% a year ago, and 86.2% for metropolitan branches of banks, 84.3% of a year ago. Explain NPA and agriculture NPA. A non-performing asset is a loan or advance for which the principal or interest payment remained overdue for a period of 90 days. Agri NPA. A loan granted for short-term duration crops will be treated as NPA if the installment of a principal or interest thereon remains over unpaid for 2 crop seasons beyond the due date. A
1 minute.
loan granted for long term.
Read.
Granted for long-term duration crops will be treated as NPA if the installment of principal or interest thereon remains unpaid for 1 crop season beyond the due date. What are the functions of RBI?
1 minute. This question once again, you please read. Explain NPA, agriculture NPA. Please read.
Explain NPA and agriculture NPA. Non-performing asset is a loan or advance for which the principal or interest payment remained overdue for a period of 90 days. Agree NPA. A loan granted for short-term duration crops will be treated as NPA if the installment of the principal or interest thereon remains unpaid for 2 crop seasons beyond the due date. A loan granted for long-term crops will be treated as NPA. The installment of principal or interest thereon remains unpaid for 1 crop season beyond the due date.
Acha.
What?
Mr. Ajay Kumar, can you tell this in Hindi? Hindi में
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
Sir, if
Non-performing
मतलब-
asset क्या है?
सर नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट हमारा मतलब अगर हम बैंक का प्रिंसिपल और इंटरेस्ट 90 डेज के लिए पे नहीं करते हैं तो मतलब वो एनपीए हो जाता है बैंक के लिए. दैट नॉट जनरेट इनकम फॉर बैंक सर. एंड agree NPA there is 2 type of crop sir, short duration crop and long duration crop sir. Short duration crop is 6 months and long duration crop for 1 year sir. If loan दो crop season के लिए unpaid रहता है in the case of short duration crop तो वो NPA हो जाता है और long duration crop के लिए 1 साल unpaid रहता है तो वो NPA हो जाता है.
From the due date, a point बता.
From due dates.
Yeah. Now, NS మీరు తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఎన్పిఏ అంటే నాన్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్ అసెట్ సార్. అడ్వాన్స్ కానీ లోన్ కానీ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు ప్రిన్సిపల్ కానీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కట్టక ఒక 90 డేస్ కట్టకపోతే దాన్ని ఎన్పిఏ అంటారు సార్.
అగ్రి ఎన్పిఏ అంటే ఏమి?
అగ్రి ఎన్పిఏలో 2 రకాల ఎన్పిఏలు ఉంటాయి సార్. ఒకటేమో షార్ట్ టర్మ్ ఎన్పిఏ అండ్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ ఎన్పిఏ సార్. షార్ట్ టర్మ్ డ్యూరేషన్ క్రాప్స్ కి అయితే ఎన్పిఏ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 2 సీజన్స్ కట్టకపోతే దాన్ని ఎన్పిఏ అంటారు సార్. అది లాంగ్ టర్మ్ లో
ఫ్రమ్ ద డ్యూ డేట్.
లాంగ్ టర్మ్ డ్యూరేషన్ క్రాప్స్ కూడా ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ బియాండ్ 1 క్రాప్స్ కట్టకపోతే డ్యూ డేట్ నుంచి దాన్ని ఎన్పిఏ అంటారు సార్. లాంగ్ టర్మ్ డ్యూరేషన్ క్రాప్స్ ఎన్పిఏ అంటారు సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఎన్ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ రీడ్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిఐ?
వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిఐ? బీయింగ్ ఏ స్ట్రెంత్,
being a
Central Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India serves a critical role in regulating the financial transaction in the country. Some of important functions of Reserve Bank of India are listed below: issuing of banknotes, banker to the government, custodian of cash reserves of commercial banks, custodian of country's forex reserves, lending of last resort, controller of credit.
Good.
Explain Jan Dhan Yojana.
Tell me.
Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a financial inclusion program of Government of India open to Indian citizens that aims to expand affordable access to financial services such as bank accounts, remittances, credit, insurance, pensions. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was announced by Prime Minister Modi in his Independence Day address on 15th August 2014. Launched date August 28, 2014. More than 40, sorry, ఇది increases sir, 50 crores.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. ఈ రోజు చదివాము కదా 50 crore ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది. అమౌంట్ ఏమో చెప్పినారు. అమౌంట్ ఏమో 2,06,000 2.06 lakh. Yeah, crore వచ్చింది. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇది చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ 18th క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి.
What is the recent news about the Maharatna company? Power sector focused on non-banking financial company REC Limited has been accorded the status of Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise, thus providing it with greater operational and financial autonomy. Sir, recent గా
ఇప్పుడు ఏమో ఇంకా ఏదో కంపెనీ న్యూ కంపెనీ
another one added sir.
What is the new one?
New one.
అది చూసి చెప్పండి, రేపు చెప్పండి.
Okay, sir.
Please tell tomorrow. Ajay, you also see one more public sector company has been given Navaratna status recently. What is
Okay,
that?
sir.
Please check up. You please post in our comment column of this video.
Sir, there was company.
Which company? I don't know. Now you please read NS power sector.
Incorporated in 1969, REC is a non-banking financial company focused on power sector financing and development across India. It comes under aegis of Power Ministry. REC Limited is a 12th company to be given the Maharatna status. What
Nine.
are the criteria for grant Maharatna status? Having Navaratna status listed on the Indian Stock Exchange with minimum prescribed public shareholding under SEBI regulations, 3 years with an average annual net profit of over rupees 2,500 crore. Earlier was 5,000 crore. On average, our average annual net worth of 10,000 crore for 3 years. Earlier was 15,000 crore. Our average annual turnover of 20,000 crore for 3 years. Earlier was 25,000 crore. Should have significant global presence or international operations. Maharatna 12. Maharatna increases, sir. Navaratna. Maharatna 13, Navaratna 14.
Oh, Maharatna 13, Navaratna 14. Then Mini Ratna.
One security, sir. One security.
What Mini Ratna enta? Many Ratnas companies. అది చూడాలి, రేపు డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము. Please find out this and come tomorrow, Ajay Kumar, 5 o'clock. Similarly, this also is not required because we need only September 23. So that question we can omit. And now 21 we will study tomorrow. What is the news about Pravasi Bharatiya Divas? Yeah,
The rights company added, sir. New added rights company.
yeah, we will read from tomorrow. And yesterday I posted a video regarding IBPS RRB PO interview question. Chusara leda? Ledu. Please watch that one. Akkada ee రోజులో ఏమేమి కరెంట్ అఫైర్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందని చెప్పినాను, అది చూడండి. Thank you. Please see that one. Thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow 5 o'clock as usual. Sunday there will not be any class. Enjoy Sunday, one day enjoy. Then
match, sir. India versus New Zealand cricket match.
Acha. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.